Okey kelas, hari ni saya nak buat kuis Sudoku.
Have you ever stared at a blank paper and thought, how do I even start writing the code? Well, you're not alone. Most students struggle not because they don't understand the coding, but mostly it's because their computational thinking skills are very weak, which leads them to being unable to arrange the steps logically.
I asked ChatGPT to explain computational thinking skills so it's easier for you guys to understand. And the one that I wanted to highlight the most is point number 3, creating step-by-step solutions or rules to solve problems.
Every single semester, we see it again and again. Students always make mistakes writing the code. They may write the correct syntax, but wrong steps. Or forget important conditions. And the result? Let's not talk about it. Before we continue with the rest of the video, let's meet the team behind this project. We are passionate educators who want to make programming easier and fun. Now, let's get back to the video. The patterns were very clear. Most of the students couldn't figure out the flow of the problem solving. That is when I knew I need to create a bridge between the question and the code. I have interviewed some students to understand their real struggles.
Saya susah memfikirkan kod mana yang datang dulu dan kod yang seterusnya.
Saya confused macam mana mau flow dia, cara mau determine mana satu di bahagian atas tu apa mau tulis duluan.
Saya tidak mendapat idea untuk memulakan langkah Sudoku itu dekat mana terlebih dahulu. Saya tidak tahu macam mana mau keluarkan idea itu dalam keadaan teratur.
So we designed something simple but powerful. Step sequencing game. Students are given a QR code that directs them to the game. There, they will find a jumbled up steps and description. Their task is to match the jumbled up description to its correct steps. This is a very useful game because it helped them to arrange their ideas in writing any code. So here are the objectives of this project. The first one is to help students develop logical thinking by arranging solution steps in the correct sequence. Next is to help improve students' problem-solving skills before they start coding. The third one is to reinforce the importance of structured planning in programming. Next is to reduce coding errors by ensuring the students understand the logical flow of a solution. And the last and most important one is to make learning interactive and engaging through hands-on activities using students' smartphone. Let's talk about how this game was made. We used learningapps.org, a simple platform where we created matching pairs game. Just type the step number and their matching descriptions. That's it, easy peasy lemon squeezy. After a few questions for the game were created, we compiled the questions and its corresponding QR code into a Google slide. This way, it is easier to conduct the game in the class. During the class, the lecturer first needs to explain the instructions to the students. The questions will be shown in front of the class and the students will try to write their solution step on a piece of paper first before proceeding to the game. This will give students chances to generate their own ideas rather than fully relying on the game. And for the lectures, don't forget to demonstrate on how to play the games using the first question as an example.
Let me show you how this game can actually help students answering question. This is student. This is question. Student reads the question. Student straight away answer the question. Student stuck. Student sad. Student got introduced to step sequencing method. Student reads the question again. Student writes the step sequencing. Student can now write the answer. Student happy.
Well, now that the students have played the games, I am genuinely curious to hear their thoughts. Did it make coding easier? Was it fun? Did they finally able to organize their ideas? Let's hear it from them.
Pada pendapat saya, permainan ini amalah menyeronokkan kerana dia dapat membantu saya macam mana untuk menyusun Sudoku dengan betul.
Pada pendapat saya, game ini membantu saya mengaplikasikan semula rangka Sudoku yang saya telah bina dan membuat pembetulan dengan mudah dan seronok.
pendapat saya, game ini sangat seronok dan ianya membantu saya untuk lagi fokus dalam kelas dan sekaligus membantu saya dalam pelajaran.
Alhamdulillah, I had the opportunity to share this innovation with school teachers in Miri, Sarawak through a collaboration program between PPD Miri and Labuan Matriculation College. It was a great chance to bring this idea beyond the classroom and inspire more teachers to help students code with confidence. Now, this is the exciting part. Let's take a look at the percentage of improvement after the students use the step sequencing game. This bar chart shows just how much progress each group of students made, and it's amazing. For example, lecturer B and C had a 100% improvement rate, meaning every student who failed the pre-test showed real, measurable progress in the post-test. Even in groups with lower starting points like lecturer D, the improvement still reached 66.7%, which is still a major win. So, what did we learn from this innovation? When the students are guided to sequence their thought before coding, they perform better. This game isn't just an activity, it's a strategy to help students think logically and arrange their ideas in the correct flow. No more loop chaos, just logic with an improved computational thinking skills.